Well, here we are at Sound of the City 2025. We have a group of worship pastors and creatives from all over the city of Chattanooga that have come to write songs together, spend time with Jesus, and see what happens. We're trying to figure out the sound, what it sounds like for the Church of Chattanooga across denominational lines to get together and to make music. What is the sound of the Church of Chattanooga?
There's something so special about retreating and going away to be with the Lord. I mean, Jesus did that himself, and it almost like physically removes distractions and allows you to just really tune in, I think, even more to what he is singing over us, and being able to reflect that into songs is just a beautiful thing.
I think gatherings like this are central to the message of the gospel. We weren't called to walk the walk alone. And, Jesus said in the Garden of Gethsemane when he was praying, he said, "Father, may they be one as you and I are one." And he said that by this, the world will know that I was sent by you. And I think gatherings like this are a glimpse of that unity that's going to ultimately show the world that Christ is from the Father. There's just something beautiful about the body coming together.
Worship songwriting is creating a language that invites seekers into deeper experiences with God. See, we are created to compose lyrics and language with truths powerful enough to destroy man-made structures. An eagle soars in the heavenlies alone, and a mockingbird sits on a limb, repeating the last thing that caught his attention. We're not trend riders. We were born to soar. You were created to write the lilts that lift the spirit in flight and the lulls that bring soaring hearts to rest in the deepness of God. We can stand on well-placed stones where the life is safe and dry, or we can live and lean over the rail and dream and hope and fly. Or you can sing a ladder into a restless wind where awe-struck angels, voiceless angels, find reason to descend. Your melody gives them wings and your tempo gives them time. Your lyric touches them awake and they feel what you call a rhyme. They look at you in amazement and they stand in stillness and in awe that your song is the one that broke the silence inside the jasper walls. For 30 minutes it lingered, a sober and a holy hush. Then all that has breath in heaven began to swirl and churn and rush. And the light of endless glory as far as the heart can see, where we fly at the speed of worship and we soar over a crystal sea. So throw your safeness into that wind, because God flies faster than you can fall. And let old silences speak again what you hear behind the jasper walls.